So you just got a new car and you're wondering when you should wax it, why you should wax it, how you should wax it. Today we are here to answer all of those questions, so let's get going. Done. So you probably shouldn't assume that just because your car is new that it has been waxed or protected in some other way. Likely the dealership has only washed it and has applied zero protection to it. So the smart thing to do is to wax it as soon as you get it home, because waxing it will protect it from the elements, from discoloration, and especially from clear coat failure, which is when your clear coat starts to kind of flake and chip off. And once that starts happening, the only way to fix it is to repaint your car. So to avoid that issue down the road, just wax it right when you get it up from the dealership and then continue to wax it. So to wax your car, you're gonna need a wax. Today we're using butter wet wax. You'll also need a few microfiber applicators and some microfiber towels. Butter wet wax is an easy to use carnauba cream wax that'll leave your car really shiny, totally protected. Bonus, it smells great. First, you want to shake up the bottle, then apply several drops to a microfiber applicator. Today I did 6 drops. Next, you're gonna wanna blotch it out on the car in a 2x2 section. Now that you've blotched it out, you're gonna wanna spread it out in a crosshatch motion, going side to side, up and down, until you get an even coating in the area you're working on. So that's how simple it is to apply butter wet wax to your car. We are going to wait a few minutes for it to dry. We're gonna coat the rest of the hood, and then we'll come back to show you how to buff it off. So I just finished waxing the hood. Now we're gonna check to make sure it's done before we buff it off with a microfiber towel. So pro tip, if you're not sure whether the wax is set or not, you can run your finger through it. If it comes off, it's done. If it's still streaky underneath, it's not done. You should wait a couple more minutes. So let's test ours. Done. Next, I'm gonna grab one of our workhorse microfiber towels and buff the wax off. Obviously, we just applied butter wet wax to the hood. So next, just apply it to the rest of the car and you're good to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned when, why, and how to wax your car after purchasing it. If you like this content, give us a like, subscribe, follow along for more videos, and we'll see you next time.